It's a sunny morning, and refrigerated straight truck driver John Doe is making a delivery to a restaurant. He slows down and cautiously enters the tiny dock area behind the restaurant at 5 miles per hour. He activates his right turn signal and begins a wide swing toward the right to get ready to back up to the loading area. But a restaurant employee is late for work and uses the delivery area to take a shortcut to the parking lot. The employee doesn't see Doe's truck until it's too late, causing a collision. Was this accident preventable or not? The National Safety Council ruled it was non-preventable. Doe was proceeding with caution in the dock delivery area and could not have anticipated the speeding car's sudden arrival.